Are you ready to take your startup from a napkin sketch to a market-ready product? The journey of innovation just got a whole lot smoother. We are Conceptia Konnect, your authorized SolidWorks resellers and Dassult Systems Partner. This month, we're heading to the E-Summit Startup Expo with one mission: to empower the next generation of founders. Stop by our stall to discover the 3D Experience Startup Program. We're offering world-class CAD, simulation, and data management tools at a fraction of the cost, designed specifically for early-stage startup companies. Whether you're building EV and battery tech, robotics and automation, drones and aerospace, medical device, agri-tech and clean tech, and consumer hardware, IoT, come talk to us. Join us on February 7th and 8th at IITM E-Summit. Visit our stall, meet the experts, and let's build the future together. See you there.